How to change payment options in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the payment options in Shopee. First of all, open up shopee.com in your web browser. Once you get into your account, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, choose the My Account option from here. Now from your account, click on Banks and Cards option. And you can add new bank account from here. Adding new account will give you the different payment method options. To add your new bank account, you need to enter your phone number. Then, click to send verification code on that number. After adding your phone number, click on OK. Now your payment method will be changed to this new bank account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.